Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to delete Google activity on iPhone. So to start, open Google app. Next, click your profile at the top right. So make sure you're logged in into your Google account. Next, click Manage your Google account just below your name. So click on it. And once you click Manage your Google account, scroll down and look for Data and Privacy. So tap on that. Once you click Data and Privacy, you need to scroll down and from review and delete your history. So from this section, click view my activity. Once you click view my activity, you need to scroll down and from here, so go to filter by date and product. And besides that, you'll see delete. So click on that. And from here, you can choose a time frame. So you have last hour, last day, all time, or you can custom it. So let's select all time for example. And from here, you need to choose the activity to delete. So what happens when you delete activity? Your activity will be permanently deleted from your account and no longer used for personalization. So if you want to select all of these, just click select all at the top and all of these will be checked. If you want to uncheck one or two from here, just click on this box right here to uncheck it, just like so. So let's say we're gonna uncheck this one. So I want to delete these two only, so click on next. So confirm you would like to delete the following activity. You can also preview more and see the others. Next, click on delete at the bottom and it's now deleted. So the activity you selected is being permanently deleted from your account and no longer tied to you. So at the bottom, you have privacy tip here. So you can see your timelines, see your Chrome history, or see other activity. So once done, click on got it. And that's basically it. Click your profile. So make sure you log into your Google account. So click your profile at the top right and go to manage your Google activity. Then scroll down and go to data and privacy. Then go to view my activity and scroll down and select delete. Choose a time frame and just confirm the action and click on next. And that's it. Thank you for watching.